What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. In today's video, what I want to cover is 3 recession-proof business ideas that you need to start right now. So, if you are looking for an online business that you can run from your home with just the internet, then I have 3 ideas for you. Now, I currently do all 3 of these different ideas. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoy just new ways to make money online, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's begin the video. So, the very first thing you need to start in 2020, a simple recession-proof business, is to do e-commerce, to sell products online. Now, you're probably thinking, well, I already do eBay. Well, you may do eBay in a smaller fashion. However, you need to really put in that work, put in the time. What I suggest you do is find new products, new avenues, new categories you can jump into to start making more money. A lot of people sell on eBay. They sell, knickknacks and electronics and tools and some clothing, but they don't really turn it into a full-time business. That's what I want you to do. I want to turn your side hustle into your main income stream. Now, here's one of the things that I did a while back that really helped boost my income on eBay. I started selling baby clothes. I started selling lots. Okay, when I talk about a lot, I'm talking about like 15, 20, even 50 products, 50 different items in a lot, and I sell that. I sell it, for $100, a couple $100, and eBay is a good place to sell this stuff. I sell it on a couple other platforms as well. I'm not going to mention those platforms just because that is going to take away from my business. But if you want to do it on eBay, it's a great place to do it. This is where I started doing it. Look at this. This huge baby girl's clothing lot. 48 pieces sold for $65. We scroll down here a little bit. Let's see. $17 for this lot of 20 great condition items. This 2-pack for $30. $40 for 16 pieces. You get the idea. You can make a lot of money selling baby clothes as long as you put it in a lot. If you don't put it in a lot, you're going to do a lot of work for very little money. So don't do that. Now, the next online business that is one of the 3 recession-proof business ideas to start right now is to start creating videos on YouTube, and specifically going after the method of affiliate marketing. You can make money on YouTube through YouTube ads. However, it's going to take you a little bit to get started. It's going to take you a while to start making hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month. But what you could do today, you can start making some type of a review. And so I really love YouTube. I absolutely love YouTube. And that's one of the reasons why I'm creating videos on YouTube every single day. Not only here on this channel, but I have over 30 other channels that you've seen some of my other videos and some of my other channels. You may not even know that they're mine. However, on some of these other channels, I just do reviews, simple reviews. For example, one of the things you can do, let's say you really want to get into doing reviews and you are a runner. What I suggest you do is start doing running shoe reviews or different running products, shorts, shirts, tops, different reflective vests, things like that. They do really well. Look at this one right here. This person right here, the Run Testers. Looks like a group of 3 people. The Run Testers currently have over 4,000 subscribers, 4,530 subscribers on their channel. However, a video they did 5 months ago has already received 150,000 views. So right there, if they're testing different running shoes, which it looks like they are, what they could do is promote those different shoes to like on Amazon. If somebody goes and buys a product at Amazon, they would make some money. So this is a really good online business to start, is start promoting different products by doing simple product reviews. Now, on YouTube, you can do videos on just about anything. You got this person here, Jetting Julia. She is she's a flight attendant, and she goes around the world and she documents her trips. And when she uses different things like a lunch pail or a lunch bag, backpack, different bathing suits, her camera gear, stuff like that, she talks about it in the video, and then she says, I will link to it down in the description box below. Now, if you want to know more about exactly how to do this, I have a free training. I'll put a link to that down in the description box below, where I show you how to make over $500 per month from one single YouTube video. So if you haven't seen that free training already, again, I'll link to it down in the description box below. So make sure you go and check it out. Now, when it comes to YouTube, all you have to do is do more and more videos. So I'm going to click on their YouTube channel. I'm going to click on their videos. And the reason why I'm doing this is so you can get an idea. Look at this. This video was done 2 days ago. These are on the Hoka ones. These are shoes. Okay? This is on the Garmin watch. Okay? Watches, that's another good thing that people that do runners would need. This video was done 3 days ago. Has over 6,500 views. This Garmin Fenix 6, okay, a different watch, has 1,700 views done 3 days ago. Again, same thing, 3 days ago. 6 days ago, this Polar Grit, these A6 Meta Racers, okay, a week ago, almost 1,000 views. Garmin Forerunner 945 versus the Garmin Fenix, okay, they're doing one watch comparison against another, which is another great option, but look at that. Very simple, easy to do. Their videos are like over 10 minutes long. These ones are shorter, but again, just get out there and start creating videos. This is a great way to make some money, and I'm pretty sure most people are not doing this. The reason why I say selling clothing or selling stuff on doing e-commerce like on eBay and YouTube are two great recession-proof businesses is because people need stuff. They would rather pay a little bit less to buy used items, especially in a recession. They're trying to hold on to their money, so I recommend selling stuff on eBay. The reason I recommend promoting stuff on YouTube is because people are going to flock to YouTube to figure out, okay, I only have $100. What is the best running shoe to buy with $100? Is it, these Brooks? Or is it these Hokas? Or these, Asics? What's the best shoe out there for my money? And they're going to go to YouTube, figure out, okay, this is what this person recommends. I really think that's the best option. Okay, I'm going to buy it. And so it's a recession-proof business because this is where people are going to come to find alternatives, to find reviews, to find actual product demonstrations. So you need to be in the forefront. You need to be ahead of these people before they have that idea, okay, I need to look for a review, so I'm going to jump to YouTube. Make that video first so that when they jump to YouTube, they land on your video. And the third recession-proof business idea you should start today is selling online courses. And specifically, you can do this through udemy.com. You can see it right here. I mentioned udemy.com in multiple other videos, and the reason why I mention this is because it's easy to use, it's a simple platform, you make a decent amount of money, and the best part, it's beginner friendly. You don't need money to start, it's free. Okay, yes, when you sell one of your courses, you do have to pay a small fee to Udemy because you are using their platform. No big deal, it's a very small fee, you won't even notice it. The next thing I like about Udemy is you can sell anything, any type of course. Let me show you this. For example, let's say you want a course on, because this is something people are going to look for when it comes to a recession. People are going to be thinking, okay, I need a different job. What should I do? First thing I need to do to get a new job, I need to update my resume. But how do I do that? Where should I go to learn how to create a better resume? Because a resume and a cover letter together are going to dictate which jobs you essentially are going to get. Okay? Doesn't always come down to, okay, I have a college degree, I'm going to get the job. No. Just because you have a college degree and you have a crappy cover letter and resume is probably going to mean they're going to tear up your resume, throw away your cover letter, you're never going to get that job. But if you come to Udemy, and let's say you decide, okay, I want to create a course on how to create a better resume. Well, look at this. There's all these different courses. This one right here, the complete resume, LinkedIn and get your dream job course, sells for $94.95 or $94.99. It's sold 40 to 100 times. That's a lot of sales. So in a recession, people are going to look for ways to learn new things, new skills, get a new job, lose weight, make more money, all this different stuff. And if you can create courses on those things ahead of time, you are probably going to win. You're probably going to make more money than other people that are sitting around just hoping that they can eventually do more, make more, and be more. All right? So last thing I just want to tell you is if you want anything in life, all you have to do is hustle for your dreams. If you can do this time and time again, I guarantee you, you will be more successful. So many people that I talk to on a daily basis, Want to know what is the magic formula? How do you get to where you are? I got to where I am not with luck, okay, not with a family fortune. I got to where I am because I hustled. I was driven and I knew exactly where I wanted to go. So if you can do that, then I guarantee you, you will be more successful. And these 3 recession-proof businesses will help get you there. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.